The total mass of a basket containing 5 bars of soap was 1005 grams. When 3 more bars of soap was placed in the basket, the total mass became 1500 grams. What is the mass of the empty basket? So let us look at this question. How do we know that it's actually a repeated identity question? We will look at the first sentence first. We know that you have 1 basket plus 5 bars of soap. The second sentence actually states that you have the same 1 basket here, but now you have 3 more bars of soap. So since both sentence 1 and sentence 2 have a basket each, you'll be able to identify that the repeated item will be basket. So once you have identified the repeated item, always remember when you're drawing your model, always place your repeated object at the front of the model. So let's start drawing the model now. So sentence 1 and sentence 2 for S1 and S2. Since the basket is the repeated item, we will start drawing the basket first, so they are exactly the same. Let's view in sentence 1. You have 1 basket and 5 bars of soap. And the total mass is 1005 grams. Sentence 2, you have the same basket, but now you have 3 more bars of soap. So you have 5 bars plus another 3 bars. And the total mass is 1500 grams. So now that your model is completed, let's take a look at the model. For sentence 1, you have 1 basket and 5 bars of soap. Sentence 2, you have 1 basket and 5 plus 3 bars of soap, which is 8 bars of soap. So if you were to minus them off, you can actually minus off the basket because they weigh the same. So after minusing off the basket, you will know that the difference between the bars of soap would be 8 bars for sentence 2 minus 5 bars for sentence 1. And the difference would be 3 bars of soap. So how do we find the mass of these 3 bars of soap? We will take the total mass, 1500 minus 1005 grams. So after subtracting, you know that 3 bars of soap actually weighs 495 grams. So if 3 bars of soap weighs 495 grams, you'll be able to find the mass of 1 bar of soap by dividing it by 3. After finding the mass of 1 bar of soap, let's read the question again. They are asking us to find the mass of the empty basket. So there's actually 2 ways to solve this question. You can find the mass of 5 bars of soap from sentence 1, which is 165 grams times 5, and you get 825 grams. After finding the mass of these 5 bars of soap, you just have to take the total mass, which is 1005, minus away 825, and that will give you the mass of the basket, which is 180 grams. Similarly, you can also find the mass of 8 bars of soap for sentence 2, and you take the total mass, 1500, you minus away the mass of the 8 bars of soap, you will get the same answer as what you have found out, which is 180 grams for the empty basket. But it's better to find out the mass of 5 bars instead of 8 bars of soap, because 5 is a smaller number. If you were to multiply 1 bar of soap by 8, it actually goes into the thousand place, and you actually have a higher chance to make careless mistakes.